Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I got this look. I will be showing you guys how I bleached the hair, you know, how I got this style. This hair is from Monroe hair. They sent me this wig in a 24 inches. I think it was a 24 inches. I'm not sure, but I did show you guys more details on the hair, like how it came out of the box and everything. So the initial appearance of the wig, I did show you guys that at the beginning of the video, so you guys will see that. But before we go into this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, I would like to thank Monroe hair for sending me this wig. Now let's just jump into the video.
That again. Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
So this is the wig. This is how it came. They sent me these cute cards. I love these cards. They were actually so cute. I don't know. I love pink, so you know it is going to be cute once it's pink. So the length is 20 inches. Sorry, I don't know why I said 24 inches. And this unit is called the OMBRE unit, which is pretty much a closure unit. It is an HD lace. Yeah, so it's their OMBRE unit in 20 inches, and it's a closure wig HD lace. And this is how the inside of the hair is looking. This is how the hair looks initially. So yeah, so because I wanted to switch up this hair a bit, I decided to bleach it. And what I use to bleach this hair is a 10 volume developer and a 30 volume developer and the quick blue bleaching powder. First I went in and I kind of marked the area which I wanted to start the bleaching process from. So I marked it, and then I went in with the 10 volume developer and I placed it on the entire hair, starting from the point that I marked going down. So I marked it, and then I placed the mixture with the 10 volume developer and the bleaching powder from the marking to the end. And then after doing the entire hair, I went back over with the 30 volume developer and I did the same step. I marked it, so it kind of left, so I'm able to see exactly where I should start putting the 30 volume developer, and that way it's like the transition is easier and it looks more uniformed. And I wanted it to look more uniform, so that's why I went in and did all the markings. So I marked it, placed the 10 volume developer on the entire hair, then went back over and marked it once more, and then I went in with the 30 volume developer so the hair is lifted a bit more, so I could get the ombre look. So from the 1B to the brown to the blonde. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what I did. At first I was gonna not put it at the ends, but I'm like, you know what, putting the entire 10 volume developer straight out to the ends will probably make it easier to lift, and that's what I did. And this is how I got the hair. But yeah, I did this, and then I placed it in, I made it dry. So I made this process go for about 30 minutes. After that, I rinsed it out, allowed it to dry, and then I went back in with the 30 volume developer at the ends. And yeah, that's what I did pretty much. So this is when I pretty much allowed it to dry and then went back over with the 30 volume developer at the ends. So for the install of this hair, I pretty much just use my Got Bolt Hold Active, and that's what I used to do this install. It was a closer, so I didn't really need to use the glue, but I just decided to use the glue, and I just did just one layer of the glue. and then I went in with my even tinted lace tint, and I sprayed the stocking cap and the wig itself. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did for this install. This install was a quick install. It is a closure. I haven't done a closure install in a long time, so I was pretty excited to do another one because I haven't done one in a long time. So that's pretty much all I did. I'm going to let you guys watch as I do this install. There's nothing new, nothing like out of the ordinary that I did that I would need to explain. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and then I will pretty much get back to you at the ending of the video. Period. For my baby hairs, I pretty much just used the Got To Be gel and mousse. So I just did a mixture of both, and that's what I used to do my baby hairs. Honestly, guys, I don't know. While I was doing this hair, I was kind of like, I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Like, I don't know. But I'm gonna let you guys just continue watching because the video was done, so I might as well just upload it. But yes, continue watching. you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me do more hair tutorials, then definitely let me know, because you know, whatever video you guys request, I try to do more of that. Overall, for this hair, I like it. I like the quality of the hair itself. If I'm being 100% with you guys, I love the quality. The only thing that I hate with this hair is the knots. Like, the knots for the lace is too big. Like for our HD lace, it was too big. Because I bleached it 2 times and it still did not, I don't know. The only problem I have with this hair is just the knots of the lace being too big. Like, I bleached it 2 times and I think it came bleached. Like, I'm not sure, but I bleached it and it still was a little bit, like, you know. And I was kind of confused because it is HD lace, so I was expecting, like, you know, HD lace, the knots are a little bit thinner, and hence why it's HD lace. But I don't know, for some reason these knots, they were a little bit on the thicker side. But if you know how to finesse hair, then you're good to go with this hair, because all you have to do is finesse the hair. I did finesse it so it looks like, you know, it's cute and all of that. But yeah, apart from the knots being too thick, everything else was great. Because I bleached this hair, like, I'm gonna say I bleached it 2 times, actually 3 times. I bleached hair, it didn't lift properly, I went back, bleached it again, and then I wanted the ends to be lighter than right here, so you know, I bleached it like 3 times and it was still good. Like, the quality of the hair is nice, like, it's still flowy, it's not like dry or anything. Like I said, the quality of the bundles themselves, the hair itself is nice. The only problem that I have is just the knots of the hair, and I think I only have this problem because I'm expecting it to be thin because it's HD lace, so maybe that's why it was kind of bothering me a bit. But apart from that, the hair is nice, everything else is nice. Yes, I want to thank Bella, is it Bella Monroe? I'm gonna just say Bella for sending me this wig. Absolutely loved this hairstyle. I love when I'm able to like mess around and freestyle wigs. I enjoy doing this look. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Show your little body, body, body.